Right over here, man. Jackie will take care of it.
Oh no!
Dude, how do
His wife's videotaping.
This is wonderful. I mean, I hope he gets out of the water, of course.
Put your leg on the swim deck.
Oh man!
There you go. There you go.
No, it's not gonna stay, guys. Nope. No.
This lady is videoed the whole.
Woo!
He took his pants and his
Heroes.
Turn the fucking boat off! Turn it off! Turn the boat off!
Man, I was unshake my boat and I heard you holler. What happened?
I don't know. Go get my boat if you would.
Huh?
Grab my boat, put your boat in and get my boat.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get my boat out. By the truck being there. Lord of mercy.
I ain't never had such a thing happen.
What happened? Emergency brake flew off or something?
Damn sure did, and oh shit, there goes my old truck.
Dadgum, that was a sharp truck, buddy.
She's done now.
I hate that, man. Lord of mercy.
Phone's done.
What you...
Call gas fill wrecker service.
Your phone's out too, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right, let me make a call for you.
Bueno, César, lo que decías, por eso no puedes prestar el bote. Eso es falta,